All right, you guys, I'm back and it's the next day. Anyways. I finally got a ladder. That's what the delay has been about. Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather. But we got a couch. We already put a couple of things up on the wall. And I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But right now, I'm gonna try to put my curtains up. So I ordered this curtain rod from Amazon. I'll leave the information down below. But yeah, let's get it. All right, you guys, I'm back and it's the next day. Anyways, as you can see, I got my curtains up. I'm so excited. They look so good, y'all. Check them out. But yeah, I was waiting on these because I ran out yesterday. They only come in 14 in a pack and I needed 20. So, you know what I'm saying? I had to hurry up, get Amazon, order next day, prime shipping. But yeah, you know what's up. All right, so these little ring things, that's what I was waiting on. But my curtains are up and they're so beautiful. But let's get into this couch. So we got a couch and I love it. I'm about to show y'all how this couch do, because I absolutely love it. As you can see, like right there, like you can put the head thing any way you want, and I love that, okay? Okay, and with the arm thing here, the bond.com, relax, layout, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all the couch up close and personal. So here is the couch. It's so big. Yes. All that good stuff. Get into it. Get into it. So yeah, y'all, I absolutely love this couch. We fell in love with it when we saw it in the store. Did I look good on it? But yeah, it's just the vibe that it's giving me. It's just the vibe. So anyways, as y'all saw on the couch, I'm about to basically decorate with the fall decor that I got. Finally. So let's get into that. All right, y'all, I ordered these pillows. Aren't they so cute? It came with 2 more, but I gotta order some more pillow inserts. But yeah, these are so cute. It's giving the fall Thanksgiving vibes, home and give thanks. I got 2 other ones, which I can actually show y'all. Let me grab them. So here are the other ones. It says gather, and this one says fall. So yeah, we got the pillows. So, I also got this blanket for the couch. As y'all saw in my other video, if you haven't checked it out already, I'll leave the link up here somewhere. But yeah, we got the blanket and we got the other decor. So, I also got these pillows in the burnt orange. They are so cute and I just love the vibe that they're giving. So I'm gonna put all of these on the couch and see what it's looking like. All right, the camera messed up, but yep, let's do these pillows. There's the pillows. So I also got this blanket. This blanket is from Amazon. Just to give it a look. It's supposed to go into a blanket basket, but I haven't found the blanket basket that I want for the living room. So I'm gonna just put it on the couch for now. All right, this blanket is from Target. I just love the color. It matches the pillowcases that I got. So I knew that it would be really cute with the fall decorations. I think I'm gonna put it on the edge of this little area. So. Oh y'all, I broke my candle. Like, literally broke it. But this candle seals some good, so it is what it is. See, that's cute. See, that looks kind of cute. Look like it needs to be fixed a little bit. Yeah, that. Let's see. So should I leave it out folded big or smaller? Because I kind of like them both, but I don't know. Little vibe with the blankets. I also got this blanket. You can never have too many blankets. I just gotta figure out where I'm about to put this one. So, I've been had this blanket for a while, so I really just didn't get it for the fall decor. But it does like match the wall decor. Like, here's the wall decor right here. Get into it. And I made these myself with a canvas and a shower curtain. So if you want to check that video out, I'll leave it somewhere so y'all guys can check it out. Made 2 of them to match. They look so good up there. I really don't know what to do with that other blanket. It's not like matching the vibe as much as I thought it was gonna be at first. But what should I do with this blanket? You guys leave it in the comments because I really don't know what to do with this blanket. So yeah, right now it's just not flowing in. So yeah, I got this tray. I'm gonna actually put it on the ottoman. For now, we don't yet have our table in, so I'm just gonna set it up here. It's from Walmart. And we got the little decor going on. So this one is from the 99-cent store. It has some good stuff in there. And this one is from Target, which I showed in my other video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that one in the living room. Got my little pumpkins. And I think I'm gonna go with the gray one in here. Got my candle, gobble till you wobble. It smells so good. And I'm gonna take a few of these little pumpkins out and just put them in here a little bit. Give it a little bath. They're in different sizes, so it's cute. Then I'll just use the rest for when I do the kitchen. So I also got this from the 99-cent store. I'm gonna figure out something to do with it. See if it looks good in this tray or not. All right, y'all, so there's a little look that I got going on. I'm gonna show y'all the tray and then the rest of the decorations. We still gotta get a few things in, so there will be updates to this video. So here's the couch. How it's looking so far. I might change the way exactly that blanket is, but for right now, that's gonna have to do. Here's a little tray. So cute. I got some pumpkins of all sizes, then a vase and the couch. Wall decor that your girl did. All right, y'all, that's the end of this update video, but I had one question. Like, how do y'all feel about your curtains, like, scrubbing the floor? Like, do you guys like them to be above the floor so where they're not touching the floor at all? Or, like, is the scrubbing the floor okay for y'all?